Stitchhouse again. I just wanted to give you a little message about all the cool events that we have coming up for the store. Remember, they're limited, so you need to get on our website and take a look at some of the projects and stuff that we have. Classrooms are set for 6 people apiece, and then our events are set for 12, but you know how big our big room is, so we'll be able to be spaced apart. So what we would like to do is that invite you all to come to more events, and one of those coming up is something that I saw yesterday, and it's actually really cool. So I like to digitize my own quilts and my own blocks, and I know the amount of energy it takes to think all the way through. We have a customer here named Anna Aldmon, and she's been here a couple times, but she has her own website with Anna Aldmon's Designs on there, and she's going to be coming to the store, and you're going to be seeing a short video of some really cool projects. They're very vibrant in color. She's using wool. She's going to teach you how to use your scan and cut a little bit for the project. She's going to be doing in the hoop projects with some sew and flip, and then applique, and you will leave with a finished block, but you will leave with all the products that you can finish the entire quilt. And you'll also have options for premium kits, just like you have for our chrysalis project. You will have for this upcoming event. And we really encourage you to take a look and think about coming in for her projects, because they're going to be really cool, and they look just as good from the back as they do from the front. So take a close look and then let us know if you'd like to come. We'll talk to you soon.
Hi, I'm Anna Aldmon of Anna's Awesome Applique Designs, and this is my daughter, Annika Michelle.
Hi, I've been apprenticing with my mom for a little over a year and excited to be helping her with some of the demonstrations that she does with her presentations.
We're so excited about being here on September 30th, October 1st, and October 2nd. September 30th will be the lecture demo, and we'll be going through lots of different techniques. And October 1st and 2nd is when we're going to do the outside the block wool class. So I'm hoping to see all of you there. In the meantime, Michelle's going to talk more about the things that we're going to demo on September 30th, starting at 4:30.
So Anna's going to describe a lot of different techniques. Some of them that we're going to demonstrate will be multiple hoopings. So as you can see, this design is kind of large. I think it finishes up at 16 by 20. So obviously that's not going to fit into a single hooping. But the design includes crosshairs. The design includes crosshairs where you can match up from one hooping to the next to get the entire design achieved through those multiple hoopings there. These sunflowers are part of the bonus blocks that come with the Block of the Month design also, and they are quilted in the hoop and joined together with joining strips, which you can see here on the front and the back. So we will have instructions on what sizes to cut those and do a demonstration in class about how to finish that up as well. Lastly, if you look here at these fan blades, some of them are 2-pieced together while others are single blades. In either case, these can be pieced together in the hoops by basically, you have a placement stitch, lay down the fabric, it'll stitch it, you open it up, press it, and go on, as all of these blades are pieced in the hoop, which makes it really convenient to finish up.
The class we're going to do on October 1st and October 2nd is called Outside the Block. We're going to be, this is the block that we'll be stitching out, and we will be using this pattern, which is on a thumb drive, and it's got a cute little charm, which is the outside the block pattern. We're going to learn how to create all these different shapes on the scan and cut. The new scan and cut is aware of the thickness of the wool felt and be able to cut it beautifully. We'll do that in the morning, and then in the afternoon we're going to go ahead and stitch out the block. You will have a class kit which will complete one block that I'm showing here, and we will learn how to finish the edges, and you'll also have that basic kit for the class. As a premium kit option, you'll include all the threads, and the threads are actually a heavier thread, so it shows up better on when you stitch it out. And also there'll be the no-show black mesh for the stabilizer, as well as the applique wonder that you'll need. Thank you. See you soon. We'll have to do that again, huh?
It was